If you're looking for all the bells and whistles on top of the functioning capability that an SUV has to offer, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude 4x4 in billet silver. With adaptive cruise control, black headlamp bezel finish, 20-inch granite aluminum wheels, black lens tail lamps, dual dark chrome exhaust tip, keyless enter and go, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch display, navigation, backup camera, SiriusXM satellite radio, QUADRA-TRAC 2 four-wheel drive system, LANESENSE and lane departure warning plus, heated second row seats, power liftgate, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5412.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.